Budgies, also known as Budgerigars, are tiny parrots that have captured the hearts of many with their vibrant colors and charming personalities. Originating from Australia, these small avian friends have been domesticated for over a century. They belong to the genus Melopsittacus, which contains only one species, the Budgie. Budgies are known for their distinctive color patterns. Wild budgies are predominantly yellow or green, but domestic budgies come in a wide variety of colors, including blue, white, and even multicolored. Their bodies are compact, measuring about 6 inches long, with a tail that makes up nearly half their total length. Their unique physical features are not just for show. Budgies have a strong flight capability, thanks to their long, pointed wings and short tail. They can fly up to 30 miles per hour, making them one of the fastest birds relative to their size. Budgies are social birds, living in large flocks in the wild. In captivity, they are often kept in pairs or small groups. They are intelligent creatures, capable of learning to mimic human speech and other sounds. This is due to their large brains, which are proportionally larger than those of most other birds their size. Budgies are not only entertaining pets but also easy to care for. They eat a diet primarily made up of seeds, but fresh fruits and vegetables can be added for variety and additional nutrients. A clean, well-ventilated cage is essential for their health and well-being. Beyond being popular pets, budgies have also played significant roles in scientific research. Their ability to mimic sounds has been a subject of interest for linguists and psychologists, shedding light on the capacity of birds to learn and communicate. In conclusion, budgies are fascinating creatures that offer a unique blend of beauty, intelligence, and companionship. Whether you're a seasoned bird enthusiast or a curious beginner, these little parrots are sure to capture your heart with their charm and charisma.